When someone has requested that you review their work in Abstract, you have a few different options for how to go about it. If you currently have the Abstract Mac app or web app open, you'll get a notification that someone has requested you to review their branch. And if you don't have the app open, you'll get an email notification. Clicking on any of these will drop you into that person's branch. Another way to get your review requests is to go to the Reviews tab in Abstract. Here, you'll be able to see a list of the branches that you've been assigned to review, sorted by project, as well as a list of all of the branches that are open for review in your organization. Clicking on any of these will also take you to that branch. Once you're actually on someone's branch, what do? If you don't see a branch summary or collection, I would start by asking the designer to put these things together so that you have some context in order to leave more effective feedback. If there is a branch summary, start by reading the documentation there to gain any information you might need for review. Then, click on any collections you see on the branch to view the designs themselves. This is where you can see the screens that the designer has worked on and curated for you. Clicking on any one of those screens will allow you to view it full size, zoom in, and leave comments. This is the first place that you can leave your feedback. As you start clicking through each of the screens in the collection, use the comment feature to ask questions or make observations. Generally, you should keep the comments relevant to the context of the design that you're viewing. You can also click and drag to add annotations, so if you want to comment about a very specific element on the page, use the annotation to highlight that item for your feedback. Once you've finished reviewing the collections and leaving any specific comments you might have, you can exit the collection to get back to the branch. Now that you've viewed all the designs, you can click on the green review button in the top right to make your final decision. You have the options of approving the branch or requesting changes, and there's space to leave any high-level comments that you want to add about your decision. All of this will get documented in Abstract with a time and date stamp, as it's an integral part of the design process. And that's how you leave feedback in Abstract.